Hello everyone, my name is Sevi Shehu. I am the Chief Strategy Officer of MetaEarth. I'm not here today to read a report or bore you with numbers. Instead, I want to share a journey with you. It's a story about innovation, fairness, and the future we are building together. To all KOLs, media, friends, and partners here today, thank you for joining us. This is our story, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's see. Let's start with a Web3 revolution, actually. Before I joined MetaEarth, I saw the same flaws that our founder, Patrick, did. Traditional finance system favor most of them, but most of the people will leave behind. I've been searching for a way to fix this injustice and technology, and I thought Web3 could be the key, actually. Decentralization, as we all call it, breaking monopolies, giving power back to people. But then I saw its cracks, wealth still piling up in a few, and tech too complicated for most of people, and trust is nowhere to be found. Then MetaEarth came into my life, using blockchain to create economic fairness and make unconditional basic income for everyone. Suddenly it clicked. I truly believe Web3 is just more than code and more than protocols. It's the key to rewriting economic rules. And that's what we are doing. We are building a modular blockchain. It's fast, it's secure, it's open to everyone. Now let's start a little bit with our journey. On the 1st May 2025, we launched ME Network 2.0. That day wasn't just an upgrade, it was the start of something huge. Since 2024, we have been moving very fast, actually, grounded compliance, lifted our ecosystem, and fueled by a mission that spans throughout the globe. So, this is what we have done the past years. We have done the compliance. From day one, we have enforced KYC checks. Every user's identity is real, and this isn't just the limit. We have done an ecosystem takeoff. We rolled the MeID, and we rolled the MeID to keep your privacy safe, actually. MePass, we brought MePass to everyone. And Blockchain Explorer, so you can see in real time how many users we are growing every day. We have gone and we have moved with a global reach. With our Global Navigator program, we have touched more than 40 countries, actually, from Asia to Europe and Middle Eastern, Latin America, rainforest, and MetaEarth is everywhere. And community energy. Actually, our teams worldwide have hosted seminars, meetups, events, everything to bring close us together. But the most important thing is our community growth, as you can see here. In the beginning, it took us 8 months to grow to 100,000 users. But it was slow and actually it was steady. But then the next step, we surged to 100,000 users. And that happened just in a month. And that was the period where we were heating up. The breakthrough happened on February 18, 25. And we welcomed in just one day 10,000 users. In one single day. Can you imagine that? And then on the 12th of May, we reached 1 million users and everyone verified with KYC. It's after our Me Network 2.0 launch. This actually happened in the Token 2049 in Dubai, where we hit 1 million users. Today we have surpassed 1.3 million KYC verified MeID holders, and the growth is accelerating every day. Our goal is that by 2026, we reach 10 million users. So this will happen by April 2026, but this is not just the finish line. The target challenges our team and proves Web3 fast potential. As you know, with growth, there is a lot of challenges. Because growth is not always easy. More users, more needs, more pressure to our network, and more work for our team. When Me Network 2.0, we have set a new standard for modular blockchains. So actually, this upgrade shows us how to handle millions and millions of users. And in the months ahead, we'll scale the system fully. We are expecting our global navigator problem to empower communities worldwide. So, we have a real community and sustainable growth. Let me tell you that in the territory, we have activated more than 40 regional nodes globally. And, growth surge in India, in Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Nigeria, Kenya, Argentina. Of course, we have our heroes. Heroes are navigators, which are in charge. Let's say from Nigeria, one guy, Haraju Muhammad, brought over 3,000 users from his community. Right now, 65% of our new users come from referrals and ordinary users. That share keeps rising and rising. It shows our growth. In Nigeria, we have more than 300,000 certified users and addresses, and this shows how much people crave decentralized finance. But this is not the end. We are just getting started, actually. Our foundation is rock solid and it's modular, it's fast and it's free for everyone. With MetaEarth 2.0, we have taken modularity to the next level. We have separated data availability, settlement, and execution layers. Of course, what's next? The future that is very bold. We have been scaling our network to handle millions and million transactions at ease. We have launched MPC wallets, DEX for trading, and that goes smooth and that goes free. Of course, we have to mention MePay, that is tied to MeID. It will bring simple and safe payments to everyone, everywhere. The last thing, but not the least, the MeGreen will power green economy tools and reward low carbon actions like walking, biking, cutting carbon. These actions earn credentials you can take in the global carbon markets, turning everything eco-friendly. So, from vision to reality, it is an open ecosystem. MetaEarth is designed to be an open ecosystem aiming to address real-world needs through decentralized solutions. Our focus is not only following trends, but exploring how blockchain technology can be connected in everyday application. The initiative is driven, of course, by technology. I want to thank everyone that is here. Thanks for MetaEarth team for pushing this through, to our early believers that trusted in us when the project was not polished yet. Thank you for listening.